In this video, I'll show you how you can make Roblox less laggy and how you can fix lag in Roblox. The first thing you want to do is open up the game and head over to the settings. Then in here what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find graphics mode and choose manual. Then in here you should have this box, and the further down you put it, the more you will fix your game. So obviously it's gonna look much worse if it's at the bottom. However, it's gonna make your game run much more smoothly the lower you go. If you don't want it to look so ugly, you can just have it around the middle. But like I said, the further down you go, the better your game will play. After that, you can just close it down. And then what we wanna do is we wanna come here and search for run. Type in temp and press enter. And then what you wanna do is just delete everything in here. If this one pops up, just check this one and press skip. Do it again and skip. And just leave these files. Then you want to search for run again. Type %temp %. And do the exact same from in here. Delete everything. This one skip. Again and skip. And if it says you cannot do it, you're just gonna continue skipping, or just press X on it and leave these right here. Once we've done that, you want to go to recycle bin, empty the recycle bin, and press yes. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on our desktop, go to display settings, scroll down and find graphic settings, and in here you want to look for Roblox. Now you can add it here by pressing browse, and then we want to search for Roblox, right click, open file location, and then right click again and open file location, and then you can see it in here. What you want to do is click up here, Control C, come in here and click up here and Control V, press enter, and then you're just going to select the game. Press add, and now Roblox will be in here. Go to options and choose high performance and save. After that, what we want to do is open up task manager, come in here and go here. Then you want to sort by CPU and memory. So let's just sort for memory. And in this case, you can see Google Chrome and CapCut for me is using way too much. So in this case, I would just end the task on these two, and then I would sort for the CPU. Now, obviously, I'm not going to close down Roblox because that's what I'm going to play, but I can see that my OBS is also using some, and then you can just close them down. After that, there's another thing you can try, and that is coming here and search for game mode, open it, and then try and enable game mode. After you've done all of this, it should hopefully run much better. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.